Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm your presenter Sananur Rahman. Today the topic of my presentation is limbs. So we've divided this lecture into five sections. The first section will be dealing with the embryonic origin of the limbs. It is further subdivided into an introduction, the embryological development, and hand and foot development. In the second section, we'll be seeing osteogenesis. It's further divided into an introduction, endochondral ossification, and intramembranous ossification. The third section will deal with limb development. It has further three subsections: the limb osteogenesis, the joints, and the limb musculature. The fourth subsection is the molecular regulation. It is divided into genes, the limb axis, and limb bones. And lastly, we'll have a clinical correlate section in which we'll talk about the limb defects, the defects of hand, feet, and digits, and osteogenesis imperfecta. I hope you are excited about today's lecture. Let's take a look into this lecture. Keep watching sqadia.com.